Hey, third gen Tacoma owners, Lon here today to talk to you about something that I know a lot of people have had questions about. You can see this button right here, it says map. You push that, you see it says the navigation app is not installed. Please check the Toyota website for compatible applications. Well, if you would like to use this navigation tool in your truck, got some good news for you. I'm going to show you how to do that today. All you're going to need is a cord like this. This is the key to this is you need a under 3 foot or 3 foot or under cord. The one that I got here is a Samsung cord. Literally cost me like $7. Not a big deal. Okay, I went ahead and plugged my phone in with that cord. Now I'm going to press map. And there you have it. Zoom out a little bit. You have your navigation up and ready to go. Another couple cool things that might help you out here. You press your little settings button. You can turn this to more of a satellite image. Like that. You can also, change it so if it shows you the traffic, if it's, turns red for when there's a lot of traffic, or you can turn that off as well. Now, a couple of things that you should know. At first, I did not have this type of cord. I was using this type of cord here. This is just like a, inexpensive cord, but this is like a long, almost like 10-foot cord. Okay. This plugged into this, the navigation would not work. Had to do a lot of research, looking at a lot of different places, found out that I needed a cord that was 3 foot or less. Like I said, I wanted to make sure I got a halfway decent one. I went with a Samsung cord. I'm sure you can try some other ones. Another thing to note, if you have something like this plugged in, even if I take this 3 foot cord and I plug it in here, it's not going to work. You have to be plugged directly into here in order for the navigation system to work for you. So there you go. If you've been wanting to use your navigation system and thought that you wasn't able to do it, it's a little trick that allows you to do it.